Otherwise,
Yeah.
in the past, I spent so much time running around, okay, seeing this person, seeing that person, and then
Yeah, exactly.
you're exhausted.
Yes,
So now I just go to see my close family, and that's nice.
lovely.
Yeah,
It would be nice.
it will be. It is nice. Hi,
Hi.
hi. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing well. And you?
Yeah, really well. Thank you.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sorry for being because today is bad networking.
no problem. I had the same problem earlier on today. I had
Oh,
my power went out, and so my Wi-Fi didn't work.
yeah.
We have these problems. So my name is Jackie, and you,
Oh,
you
nice
are
to meet you, ma'am.
nice to
And
meet
my name
you.
is
Indrajit, nice to meet you. Where are you? Which part of India are you?
yeah, I am from eastern part of India. I live in the state of West Bengal.
West Bengal. Okay, so I'm
Yeah.
from Australia, but I live in Goa.
Oh, so madam, may I ask that why are you living Goa?
Oh yeah, sure. We moved here 5 years ago because of
Oh,
my husband's job. Yes, he got a job. Well,
oh,
same company, but they transferred him here. So
so
yeah, it's
very
good.
nice.
Yeah, it is very nice. Of all places, it's Goa. So
Yeah, and Goa is a very beautiful place. So far as I can remember.
you came
I
here
mean,
once?
no, no. So far as I can hear,
Ah,
I
okay.
want to visit Goa one
Yes,
day.
one day. Yeah. Well, now it's all open. A lot of people are especially people from Maharashtra and Kerala and
Uh,
Karnataka have all come to Goa. So it's
and
actually
yeah,
quite busy.
madam, tell me things that what attracts you in India. What the place beside Goa? I think Goa is the one of the beautiful place in India. But without Goa,
Yeah, I love the north. I haven't been to too many places. I've been to like Rajasthan and obviously
yeah,
Agra to the Taj Mahal. Have everything we have to see that.
yeah, Taj Mahal is
Um,
really beautiful.
yes, really beautiful. And I've been to Ladakh. That was amazing. So I want to explore more north. I've been to Missouri, Rishikesh, this area, but I think the natural beauty of India, especially the north, because I love the mountains.
Yeah,
So I want to do the whole Shimla. There's a path that people go in this area.
yeah, Himachal Pradesh.
Yes, yeah, yeah, yeah. So and also northeast. I would love to go northeast, like
Oh,
Manipur, Meghalaya, yeah, Assam.
yeah,
So there's
exactly.
lots of things I still have to see.
And do you like that Darjeeling tea?
Yes, I do.
It is famous for world of the world.
It is, yeah. Even before coming here, I've known about Darjeeling tea for a very long time. So yeah, it's very famous. Many things from India are very famous, actually.
Yeah, exactly. All over the world.
And this is your hometown you're originally from West Bengal?
Yeah, I am
Hmm.
from West Bengal originally, and I am born and brought up here, and I
Hmm.
live in Kolkata.
Oh, Kolkata.
City name is Kolkata.
Yes, yes. I know of Kolkata. I've had some friends go there and say that it was actually a really good
Oh,
place to visit. They really enjoyed
yeah,
it.
yeah. There are a lot of visiting places are present there.
Okay. And what do you do there? Are you a student or do you have a
Yeah,
job?
I'm an engineering student, and I in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, and I want to improve my spoken English skill for the job purpose. So that's why I switched to Cambly,
Okay.
and I know that Cambly. I have been using the Cambly over 3 months, and it
Okay.
is really lovely to meet new people and to know new cultures.
Yes, I mean, I've only been on Cambly for about 1 year and a half, but that's my
Uh,
favorite part is meeting people from all over.
yeah, Cambly is really awesome and really interesting to me.
Yeah, yeah. And how do you feel your English has changed in 3 months?
Yeah, it actually from my childhood I love to learn English, but yeah, from not a professional way, but so I want to improve like a profession.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I go for that Cambly. And yeah, you know that in India, if you know English, then beside your skills, then you will be granted fast.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I want to learn it.
Yes. Well, I mean, you can speak, you're able to express yourself and your thoughts,
Yeah,
well. So
I can
obviously,
communicate with you
yes.
in
Yeah.
English.
Yeah. Exactly. And so, is this your first year or second year, third year at your
Yo, no,
engineering?
I am only 1 year left to become graduate.
Yay!
Yeah,
It's fantastic. And so then which good actually. It's good that you have still one more year to study because right now the economy is a bit crazy. So
yeah.
it's good that you still have
So
one year.
I have been taking online classes
Okay.
3 days a week
Okay.
during this pandemic, but maybe I'm not sure about that, but maybe the college reopen on December.
Okay.
In December.
In December. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I think for colleges, they should open before schools because, people are older and,
Yeah.
I think it would be better. But do you not get a break at December, like a winter break at all? Do you get a week or 2 weeks or something like that?
Yeah, maybe if 1 week off, like from 25 December to 1st January.
Sure.
So yeah, maybe the college restart in January. Maybe.
Maybe. I hope so because I'm sure you're dying to get back to college.
Yeah.
And what about?
And meet.
Yeah. Yes, exactly. I mean, I think that's what everybody's missing now, meeting with their friends.
Yeah, yeah. And hopefully this era should finish quickly and this pandemic should finish quickly.
I hope so. I hope so. Well, the thing with India, I don't know if it's all around India, but I found in Goa, people are just tired of being inside. So that's why when the borders opened again, everybody came here and they want to enjoy the beaches. They want to enjoy just the sunshine
exactly.
and everything. So yeah, I think they're just completely sick of this whole situation.
Yeah.
And what about?
And
Yeah.
so, what do you and what is the thing that you dislike in your hometown?
In my hometown in Australia?
Yeah.
In my hometown in Australia? Gosh,
Yeah.
it's been so long now. What do I dislike? Probably the how everything is quite separate. Like how we live our lives. Like I find here in India, everyone is so much more together.
A lot of neighbors who help you, right?
Sorry?
A lot of neighbors who helps you and who associated with you always. A lot of neighbors, but in Australia they are not, right?
Yeah, it's more separate. More like, this is your space. Where here it's everyone's a bit more communal, a bit more together. But I mean, but then I did miss my family and friends at the beginning, but it's been a while now, so it's not so bad. And I see my family every 2 years or 1 year, it depends. So yeah.
So where do you visit in Australia?
Who do I visit?
Yeah, to meet your friends. I mean, childhood friends and also your family members.
This is again the same point. I don't have childhood friends anymore because people moved so much. I moved a lot. So where I grew up, and then I changed different schools, so then I move again. So hard to keep in touch with so many people. So now when I go back to Australia, I don't go to Melbourne. I just go to the north where my family are, my mom, my dad, my brother, and my nephew.
Lovely.
So I just go to see family now because it's, otherwise, in the past, I spent so much time running around, okay, seeing this person, seeing that person, and then
exactly.
you're exhausted. So now I just go to see my close family, and that's nice.
Lovely.
Yeah.
It would be nice.
It will be. It is nice. And so, what about holidays? Do you celebrate Diwali in West Bengal? Very big celebration.
Yeah, it is. The Diwali is called in West Bengal Kali Puja.
Kali Puja.
Ma Kali.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kali, like the Lord, the god Kali.
Yeah.
Okay.
The goddess of power.
Okay.
And yeah, Diwali, like it is similar to Diwali, and
Mm-hmm.
we cracked some fireworks, but in this year, so we have not,
Yeah.
because the law has prohibited this thing because due to Corona COVID-19.
Yes. Yeah. As well, it's also, I don't know. I find that the firecrackers are fun. It's probably moving away from the original idea of lights, maybe like candles and
Yeah,
lights.
yeah. So in spite of cracking the fireworks, we can lit the oil lamp, and also that is I mean to say diya.
Mm-hmm.
That is lamp also,
The lamps, yeah, the small little.
lamp, and also made of wax. The
Okay.
lamp made of wax.
Mm-hmm. Wow. So then, normally, do you go and visit family, like, or friends?
Yeah, I play with my family and also friends,
Mm-hmm.
and because I have one elder brother and also couple of sisters and cousin sisters, so that's why I am very busy in chatting with them and also playing with them. And also I love to play cricket, but
Mm-hmm.
during this pandemic, so I can't go out and play cricket. So I want to play in this during this pandemic the indoor games like chess or
Mm.
ludo.
Ludo, that's a good game.
Yeah,
So you are not allowed to go out, or you just choose not to go out?
yeah. Preferably not. I myself choose to not to go out,
Mm.
but in necessary, then I have to go
Okay.
for market.
I like the
Otherwise, not.
shopping. But that means you have been doing this since March?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you repeat that, please?
Yes. So since March, you have been practicing this staying inside.
Oh, yeah, exactly. I am practicing this, and at the beginning, I am very unhappy, and
Mm.
I it is very boring to me. But nowadays, I used to it.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So close friends you don't see. You only do conversation
Yeah,
phones.
I use WhatsApp video call
Yeah.
to chat with her or him,
Yeah.
and not in touch.
Okay.
But yeah, in last week we celebrated the biggest festival, Durga Puja, like
Oh.
Dasera.
Mm-hmm. Just so that. Yeah.
Heard about it, I know. And yeah, on that occasion, I have to go out and I have to visit some places and I have to watch some idols.
Okay. Yeah. So that's a bigger celebration for you than other celebrations?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. The Durga Puja is the biggest celebration and also biggest festival in West Bengal,
Okay.
along with all over the India.
I understand that in different parts of India, it's more like, for example, Diwali is not such a big deal in, say, Kerala or the south, but it's much more
Yeah,
important in the north. And like Ganesh is more important here, but not so important in the north.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah. Because India has diversity, so a lot of different culture and also people live together
Mm-hmm.
and celebrated a lot of festivals.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're lucky you have so many
And
festivals.
yeah, so yeah, exactly. And and what do you festival in your Goa, in your city,
In Goa.
in Goa?
In Goa, like
Yeah.
mostly it's Holi is very, very a big
Oh,
thing.
Holi,
Yeah.
wow. It is really sacred festival.
Yeah, it's fun here. Like everybody wants to
Celebrated.
celebrate it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
everybody celebrated Holi.
Yeah. And because there's a lot of Christians here, a lot of Catholic people, they celebrate a lot. Sometimes at Christmas time, there's a lot of places with lights
So
and
celebrated,
yeah,
yeah,
and
1st January,
yeah, and Easter.
31st December. Yeah,
Yeah, 31st
nowadays.
December. I don't know if it's not very religious, but a lot
Yeah,
of people come here to have their party. Yeah, for sure. But yeah, Easter time is
there are
very popular.
done now. My time is running out,
Oh,
madam.
yes, it
So
is.
it was really lovely to meet you, and see you soon.
Indrajit, it was very nice
And
to meet you.
stay always happy with your husband, and
Thank
stay
you.
safe.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You stay safe as
Bye.
well. Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.